Yo, what's up everybody? Jeremy here from Arcesadventures, and we're here in the drive-in in Kuwait. Today we're gonna watch Mulan, and there's a bunch of cars parked out here. It was 5 KD ahead. Over here they got some food trucks. And yeah, pretty much drive-in movies. Bringing them back. All right, let's go watch this movie. They got 2 food trucks here. They got some bean bags, they got a fire pit. It's gonna be a fun night.
All your orders, paid to Kenneth or cash, I will go back to your car.
Oh, okay.
Order now.
Order now,
Yes.
you're gonna bring it here.
Yes.
But we also have the option to go there.
Yes,
but right now it's too crowded.
much crowded.
Okay.
This one the best.
The best
Slider
slider.
in Kuwait.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Convenience.
How you guys like the movie? Fun?
Yeah, good.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That was in the perfect time.
Okay.
Perfect timing, huh?
Oh, yummy.
Fries. We got fries. I know we're gonna be in the desert and the drinks are expensive. So I'm bringing drinks for my kids. I even make my own popcorn.
Cheers to movie night. Who's ready to watch Mulan? Cool. You guys are cool.
Thumbs up. I relax.
Yeah, relax now.
Do you know why the phoenix sits on the right hand of the emperor?
So that's it. That's the end of the movie. How you kids like the movie?
Good.
How was it?
Good.
All right, guys. See you guys next week. Peace.
Drop it like it's hot.
Oh.